Hey guys, Jacob here, and I'm gonna walk you through the Nomatic System Series, the ultimate one-bag travel system. Now, it's not about each of the individual pieces, but more about how they all come together and work together to create the ultimate frictionless experience for your travels. In this system, there's 4 parts to it. System travel backpack, available in 41 liter and 31 liter size, the laptop sleeve, the hybrid slings, and the packing cube set, which has a large, 2 medium, and 1 extra small packing cube. All of these available in both colorways, the green and the black colorway. At the core of this system is the System Travel Backpack. This thing is carry-on size and is the perfect companion for your travels. Now I'm gonna show you how each of these pieces work together with the backpack to create that system. Let's start with the hybrid sling. The hybrid sling is the perfect place to store your accessories for everyday and travel, and it's the perfect companion for every part of your trip. Now when you get to your destination, this bag works perfect as a shoulder bag or a crossbody sling, but also the quick adapt strap system allows you to easily remove the strap, and then you can actually attach this onto the back of the bag. First you thread it through one side of the sling, turn the toggle and feed it through this piece of webbing, and then you turn the toggle again and feed it through the second and final piece. Take the other side of the strap and do the same thing in the opposite direction. Pull it tight, and then cinch up the straps. So just like that, you can use the quick adapt strap system to attach it to the back side of the bag when you need a bit more space for modular carry of all your accessories and those types of items. If you want to attach the sling to the chest side of the bag, you use the sternum strap to attach it there. So you take the sternum strap and you slide it through both of the loops on the back side of the hybrid sling. Then you feed that toggle onto the sternum strap of the bag, push that through, and then when you want to get in the bag, you just undo the side release buckle, giving you access to the bag. And then take this, attach the side release buckle so you can easily access this while you're on the move. Keep all your valuables close and organized so you can get everything you need while you're flying. And the last place to store the sling on the backpack is up in the accessories pocket. If you need all your items to be a little more secure, just open that up, slide it in, and it's designed to fit perfectly inside of there. But also while you're in transit, it works really great as a tech organizer while you're on the plane, on a train, or just moving around, or just at the office. So now let's talk about the laptop sleeve. So the laptop sleeve is the perfect addition to the System Series because you can stash it in the back of the bag, and when you get to your destination, pull it out and you have a bag for people who are always creating and building no matter where they're traveling. So a 16-inch MacBook fits in here perfectly. And as you can see, it has a super slim minimalist profile so that the straps and everything can easily fit right into the backpack. And this is a 31 liter travel backpack. So you know if it fits in here, it's gonna fit into the 41 liter. And I know your next question is gonna be, what happens when you get to security and you need to take out your laptop? Well, we've added a zipper right at the top, an opening right at the top. So when you get to security, you can unzip that and pull out the laptop without having to pull out the laptop sleeve itself. When you get to your destination, take it out, and you have a nice little laptop bag. Take it to meetings, conferences, or at the coffee shop down the street. Also, on this bag, there is a small accessories pocket. You can fit cords, power banks, small items in there. It's pretty slim. If you need to carry just a bit more, if you want to carry all your accessories with you, this little toggle right here is designed to open up, and the hybrid sling feed the toggle of the laptop sleeve through these 2 holes in the back of the hybrid sling. Finally tie that last toggle into the laptop sleeve itself. So now you have all your accessories in the hybrid sling along with your laptop in the laptop sleeve, and you're good to go. Next, we're going to talk about the packing cubes. This 4-piece packing cube set is designed with thin and minimal material so that when you pack them in the bag, you barely even notice they're in there. So let's open up the bag and let me show you how they fit perfectly inside. So the packing cubes are designed to fit in the back half of the travel backpack, the 41 liter, but they also fit inside the 31 liter in the same way. All right, so all of that just fits in this back panel. You still have this whole other side to pack, and this small packing cube can fit in this panel, or just open up the accessories pocket up here, slide it in here, and you're good to go. So that's the packing cube set. As you see, they're super minimal, but very high tenacity material that will last for years. And that's how all these pieces work together to create the ultimate one-bag travel system. Thanks so much for checking it out.